Waves. A wave is a disturbance arising in a medium by which both energy and momenta are propagated from one point to another in the medium without the actual transfer of matter. Classification of waves. Based on the requirement of the medium, waves can be classified as mechanical and non-mechanical. Mechanical waves require a material medium for propagation, whereas non-mechanical waves do not. Sound is a mechanical wave, whereas all electromagnetic waves are non-mechanical. The essential qualities of a medium for wave propagation are elasticity, inertia, minimum friction between particles of the medium, and uniform density. Since elasticity is an important property of the medium, mechanical waves are also known as elastic waves. Based on the vibration of particles of the medium, waves are classified as transverse and longitudinal. In transverse wave propagation, the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Whereas in longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium will be vibrating in a direction parallel to the direction of wave propagation. Transverse waves consist of crests and troughs, whereas longitudinal waves consist of compressions and rarefactions. Only transverse waves can be polarized. Based on energy propagation, waves can be classified as plane progressive and stationary waves. In progressive waves, every particles of the medium vibrate simple harmonically about their mean position with same amplitude and frequency. There will be a time difference between adjacent particles of the medium as the motion doesn't initiate at the same time. Therefore, there will be a corresponding phase difference between these particles. In progressive waves, energy is transferred from one point to another in the medium. In stationary waves, all particles do not vibrate about their mean positions. Some particles remain stationary, forming knots, whereas all the vibrating particles have different amplitude but same frequency. The particles having maximum amplitudes forms antiknots. In stationary waves, energy is not transferred from one point to another in the medium. This is due to the formation of knots. Energy gets trapped between segments, that means between two consecutive knots. The distance between two consecutive knots or that between two consecutive antiknots is half the wavelength. A stationary wave or a standing wave is formed when two identical waves but with opposite phase travel in opposite direction in a medium and superimpose.